you heard the good news? There is somebody who loves you. His name is Jesus. He is the one. Born on Christmas, we're gonna have some fun. From the back of the room, all the way to the front. Wherever you are, come on and jump, jump, jump. Sing it, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Hey. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Break out the presents, hang up the lights. We're getting ready, gonna party tonight. So tell all your friends, this is the truth. It's Jesus' birthday, we're inviting you too. From the back of the room, all the way to the front. Wherever you are, come on and jump, jump, jump. Sing it, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Hey. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. From the back of the room, all the way to the front. Wherever you are, come on and jump, jump, jump. Sing it, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Happy, happy birthday, hey, everybody. Come on and lift your hands. Sing it, hey, everybody. It's time to sing it, dance, dance, hey. It's a party, we're gonna make some noise. Lift up your voice. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday. Happy, happy birthday.
You know what time it is?
Time to hear a story full of wonder. There's so much fun we'll have learning together. So let's go down to the clubhouse with Ollie and his friends. Let's go down to the clubhouse where wonder never ends at the Wonder Clubhouse. Me and you at the Wonder Clubhouse. Me and you.
Oh, hey friends, it's me, Poppy. Welcome to our Christmas pajama party. I was just filling up these gift bags we'll give to our friends at the party. They'll each get an angel ornament to remind them how an angel came and told Mary the big news she was going to have God's son. And they'll each get a cow to remind them how Jesus was born in a stable near animals. And sheep stickers to remind them how the shepherds ran to meet the best gift ever, Jesus.
Hoo, hoo.
It's Ollie.
Hello, Poppy. Hoo, hoo. Are those gift bags in front of you?
Hi, Ollie. They sure are. There's just one more thing to put inside. A star.
I know a story about a star and 3 wise men who traveled so far. Just listen to this story. Just follow me through. Hoo, hoo.
Follow me through, follow me through, who? Ollie's got a Bible story for me and you.
Oh, Merry Christmas, friends! I'm Justin the mailman. I'm just on my way to celebrate with my neighbors. Christmas is a very special day because we're celebrating someone very special. Does anyone remember who we celebrate on Christmas? Yes, Jesus! Jesus is special because Jesus is God's son. Now, there's one more part of the true story of Christmas you've got to know. Let me just put our story mail in the mailbox and... Okay, so this part of the true story of Christmas happened after Jesus was born. After Jesus was born, God put something in the sky. Did God put a teddy bear in the sky? No, that isn't right. God put a popsicle in the sky? No, God put a star in the sky. Yes, a star. Can you make a twinkly star with your hand like this? Great job. Far, far away, there were some wise men who saw it. Can you make your hand like a telescope and look at the star high in the sky? Okay, you can put your telescopes away now. They knew the star meant something special. God put the star there because God's son, Jesus, was born. They were so excited. We've got to follow it, they said. We must go and find God's son. They followed the star and probably rode on an animal. What animal would be able to walk through the desert with lots and lots of sand? Let's see. Camels! The wise men got on the camels and set out to follow the star. Finally, the star led them to Jesus. When the wise men saw Jesus, they bowed down and worshiped him. They gave him presents because they knew Jesus was very special. And we know Jesus is special because Jesus is God's son. We can remember how special Jesus is every day. Oh, hey there, Ollie. Tell me, why is Jesus special?
Jesus is God's son. Yes, it's true. Now let's hear it from you. Tell me, why is Jesus special?
Jesus is God's son. That's the truth, friends. You better believe it. Merry Christmas!
So there's your story, and it's all true. The wise men worshiped Jesus, and we can too.
Thanks, Ollie.
Goodbye to you. Hoo, hoo.
Wow, the wise men followed a star and celebrated Jesus. I think I got the story. Did you get it? If you did, say got it. Get it? Got it! Good. I'm going to finish these party favors. But first, let's sing happy birthday to celebrate Jesus and his birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Jesus. Happy birthday to you. See you guys next time. Bye.
God loved the world so much that he gave his only son. John 3:16. God loved the world so much that he gave his only son. John 3:16.